So here I am at my client's PC, and I have placed the publish inside the publishes, and here is my web API. So going into programs, apps and feature, and we have this program and feature over here. Go to turn features on and off, and you have to select both of these information internet information services and click OK. It will take a little time to install. So the Windows completed the requested changes. Now what we are going to do is we will write IIS and run as administrator. Now first of all let us create a new pool and name it my web API pool. Select no manage code and OK. Now come to the site's default website, add application and select that pool, and let's name it web API, and we will provide the physical path which is the my web API. So inside the publishes. Click OK, and we have our web API deployed on IIS server. We can right click, manage application, browse. You can see that we have this internal server error, and we have this weird error, and if you go to the internet and search, you will have weirdest solution posting out. So what we need to do is we need two things. We need the .NET 8 web hosting bundle. So we will download the hosting bundle from here. Sometimes the hosting bundle is not what all you need, so you also need the SDK. So we will also download it from here, x64 version. So now we have both of the hosting bundle and the SDK. Let us first install the hosting bundle. Install. And remember, your PC should not shut down while this is happening. Otherwise, sometimes it corrupts the installation, and it is so hard to run the web API then without reinstalling the Windows. I will also install. So now let us see that if our error is gone. So you can see that the web API is already working. And if I hit a endpoint invoice, then you can see that my data is coming from the web API. So if you are still having trouble, then you can try restarting the IIS by selecting the desktop and restart, and you can also restart the PC and try hitting the service again. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.